Bitcoin has officially logged the largest 3-day drop since the FTX collapse. Guys, this is a big deal. While we are looking for a recovery today, this is simply a long wick, and any of the gains that we saw this morning have already been lost. In fact, as we see over here, Bitcoin is at a 0% move. At this time, whales are buying into the market. Trades in favor is low, showing that downwards momentum has likely run out and we're likely to bounce to the upside. But we have to pay attention to higher time frames like the 1 week. This is something that a lot of our members have been requesting. As you can see here on the weekly, the much larger time frame, whales are still selling out. We still have downwards momentum in the market, and we need to be careful because of that. So as this trend moves on, are we likely to continue within this pattern, this descending wedge pattern? And if we break out, what could that mean for Bitcoin? We'll get into that in this video, but really quick, I want to let you know the Inner Circle live Zoom Hangout is today from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Pacific time, February 27th. And this is going to be one of the most important Inner Circle Hangout meetings that we've had to date, especially with the extreme volatility, insane fundamentals, and the uncertainty in the market. You're going to want to sign up, guys. I want you to be able to watch this and join us. If you have any questions, there's going to be live Q&A at the end with the founder of Trade, Martin himself. He's going to talk about why he actually just sold $100,000 worth of crypto and why the top could be in, as well as why he still has $1 million in the market. Guys, this is crucial information. Don't miss out. Links to join our membership are in the description down below. Now, some things that we've been talking about in our Telegram channel. Fascinating insight is that with this most recent drop, there's barely any long trade liquidity, whereas the last drop where we were previously, there was a lot more people in the market. That is not the case, and now we have much higher liquidity levels to the upside, around 93,000 and 90,000. This could be a very good sign moving forward, but we need to be careful. Yesterday, there was no long trade liquidity whatsoever except for around the $80,000 level. This means people were a lot more wary. $433 million were liquidated from the crypto market yesterday within a 4-hour period. This chart is showing the similarities to the 2021 market top. Guys, this could honestly be the top, but there's conflicting information because if we check it out right here, on the flip side, 2017 saw a 35% drop, 2021 saw a 33% drop, and we just saw a 30% drop, meaning this could be a significant move up. There is so much uncertainty in the market, guys, and we're going to check it out in today's video and especially in our Inner Circle live Zoom Hangout. All right, in the time that we were talking, Bitcoin has already switched to a bearish candle. Whale money is again selling out of the market instead of buying in, and this could drop the price of Bitcoin even further. I'll be honest, guys, even if we do make it back up to $90,000, which is possible, the likelihood of dropping back down is pretty high, and we need to be careful. There's a lot of speculation in the market that we're going to drop to $77,300 for this structure support, and this would be right in line with the descending wedge pattern. Now that's the daily. We do have typically what we would call bullish signals. Whale money is buying back in again. Again, uncertainty in the market, going crazy. We need to follow what whale money is doing, but it's hard to track when they're switching back and forth like that. This is the type of situation where we go to the weekly time frame and defer to that. On the weekly time frame, we see whale money is moving out of the market like crazy. This could easily put us down to $77,000 over the next couple of weeks. And at that point, once we see price versus whale money flow low, once we see trades in favor low, and especially if we get a buyer strong buy signal on the weekly to create a bullish trifecta, this could be one of the most bullish things we've seen in a very long time. In fact, the last time this happened with a buy signal, price versus whale money flow low, and trades in favor low, on the weekly from candle close to the market top, this was an 86.23% pump. Absolutely insane. Buy signal, price versus whale money flow low, trades in favor low. We saw a move up to the next top of 174%. Guys, the weekly time frame does not play around, and it gives us great insight into what could be coming over the next month or so. So over the next month, we could honestly see continued drops down to $77,000. But on the daily time frame, we may see moves up. Short term, over the next couple of weeks, not months, but weeks, we could see a pushback up to $91,000. In fact, this could happen over a matter of days, but long term, I think we are going to continue trading within this descending wedge pattern. Something interesting is a breakout from a descending wedge most often happens to the upside and will at least on most occasions, reach the absolute top of the pattern, which is the current all-time high of Bitcoin of $109,358.01. If we're able to make it that high and break above that, this would create a higher high formation. Very exciting in the crypto market because we've actually been seeing a series of lower highs and lower lows, creating a downtrend. All this to say, there is so much uncertainty in the market. I want us to be setting alerts on the weekly time frame here. It could take a few weeks to play out, but what we're going to do here is set an alert for some buy signals. Go to the alerts tab, click create alert, switch this to the TC top and bottom finder, keep it at a buy signal once per bar close and name it. Bitcoin 1 week buy, click create. And the next alert is going to be TC top and bottom finder and a strong buy once per bar close and name it. Bitcoin 1 week strong buy, click create. These two alerts, guys, these two alerts are going to help you find what could be the most bullish signal in the crypto market. Every time we're getting a buy or strong buy, we are seeing moves up, some of them as much as 170%. And that's why we need to have these alerts set up. That's why we're paying such close attention to Bitcoin on the weekly. One day, we could see some volatility between this this descending wedge pattern. Over the next month or two, we could see a breakout from the descending wedge pattern and a massive pump. This is what we're looking for in the crypto market today based on technical analysis, and we're going to cover more fundamentals and a little bit more technical analysis in the live Inner Circle Zoom Hangout today. I do not want you guys missing out on this. It's going to be crucial. So to sign up, you're going to head into the links in the description down below. Membership is the first link. Click that. It'll bring you to our sign up page. 25% off your first month, guys. Less than $50 to get started, and you can join our Inner Circle meeting. From there, to snag the indicators to help catch that buy signal on the weekly, go to the indicator tab, and because you're a member, you get $150 off with the coupon code at this link. Guys, this is not the last discount. Stay with me. Pro Indicator Pack, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and you're now going to get $400 off the TC top and bottom finder, bringing your total discount to $550 off. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the membership for today's Inner Circle live Zoom Hangout. Don't miss out.